Cambodia is a country founded on history and heritage. From the French colonial era to the horrifying rule of the Khmer Rouge, Cambodia has seen some tough times. Any trip to Cambodia is incomplete without an exploration into its important past. As much of the world struggles to post-growth, Cambodia's tourism and hospitality sector continued to expand and diversify, attracting more intra-regional activity and especially from major emerging markets in Asia. Cambodia is nowadays quite a famous tourist destination primarily because of its historical temples and many other important and fascinating places. Welcome to our channel Around the World with Dua Mumtaz. Today we are going to explore the Silver Pagoda is located on the south side of the Royal Palace in Chechumnias, Phnom Penh. The official name is Wat Ubavsot Ratnaram, also known as Wat Prakyo Morakot Temple of the Emerald Crystal Buddha, which is commonly shortened to Wat Prakyo in Khmer. If you like our informative video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive timely notification whenever we uploaded new videos. Let's get started. The vihara houses many national treasures including many golds and jeweled Buddha statues. The most significant are a small green crystal Buddha, the Emerald Buddha of Cambodia. Some sources maintain it was made of Baccarat Crystal in the 17th century, but that's not possible since Baccarat Crystal didn't exist until the 18th century, and other sources indicate it was made in the 19th century by Lalique, a glass designer who lived in the 19th-20th century, and a life-sized gold Maitreya Buddha commissioned by King Sisowath, weighing 90 kg and dressed in royal regalia and set with 9,584 diamonds, the largest of which weighing 25 carats, created in the palace workshops during 1906 and 1907. After the Cambodian Civil War, the gold Maitreya Buddha lost most of its 2,000 diamonds. During King Norodom Sihanouk's pre-Khmer Rouge reign, the Silver Pagoda was inlaid with more than 5,329 silver tiles, and some of its outer facades was remodeled with Italian marble. However, only a small area of these tiles are available to be viewed by the public on entering the pagoda. The wall that surrounds the structures is covered with murals of the regalia painted in 1903 to 1904 by Cambodian artists directed by the architect of the Silver Pagoda, Oknhatep Nimitmak. The legend of Prako Prakyo is also represented by two statues. It is a notable Wat Buddhist temple in Phnom Penh, its grounds being used for various national and royal ceremonies. The cremated remains of Norodom Sihanouk are interred in the stoop of Kanthabopa located on the temple's compound. Prakyo Morakot temple does not have monks, so King Norodom Sihanouk went to live there during the construction of Prapanos for a year. On the 14th day of the second month of the year, Kornopovasak, B 2490, July 31, 1947, he was ordained as a monk and took the temple of Prakyo Morakot Twi as a place of dharma to take up the practice of dharma every day. Due to the fact that Prakyo Morakot temple has a monarch as a monk, this temple was renamed Vatubavasot Prachin Rang Siryakiya Norodom Ratnaram, which means Vat Pradharma Avadharma Pagoda, god of the light King Norodom wealth Aries. This temple is called Pravahir Prakyo Morakot because of its statue, made of precious stones made from emeralds kept in this temple. This temple is called Wat Prak by foreign tourists because the floor is made of silver. The whole floor is covered with 5,329 pieces of silver in one tablet, weighs 1,125 kg. There are 1,650 artifacts on display in the temple, most of which are made of gold, silver, bronze and adorned with precious stones such as diamonds, rubies, sapphires and other precious stones. The statue is made of 90 kilograms of gold and contains 9,584 diamonds, the largest of which is 25 carats. This quarterly monarch had a history with the Anzang dynasty of Laos, now has the same shape as the Lao Pehara Bang, a gift from the Cambodian king to the Lao king. Phang when the Thai king invaded Angkor, 1352 to 1357, during the reign of King Suryavong. Pra-Arya Maitreya was established in a workshop at the palace during 1906 and 1907 by King Sisowath of Cambodia. The walls surrounding the buildings are covered with remodeled paintings painted in 1903 to 1904 by a Cambodian artist led by the architect of Wat Prakognhatep Nimit Mak. The legend of Prako Prakyon is also represented by these two sculptures, also added the content and year of the story. On the walls of the gallery are ancient paintings that tell the story of Remodeled from beginning to end. This painting was painted in 1903 to 1904 under the direction of Oknhatep Nimit, carved with 40 Cambodian artists. This painting starts from the eastern gallery on the south side and surrounds the entire gallery, which is 642 meters long and 3 meters high. This means that people look at this gallery in a circle. The ancient paintings around the Remodeled gallery show the peculiarities that are not captured or completely copied from the Indian Ramayana, because in Remodeled the story seems to be somewhat inaccurate. The secret is to look far ahead to know the story behind it, or until you know some Ramayana stories to understand. The content of this Remodeled story is interpreted in some scenes as a big skin puppet show or as various sculptures and used as a divination of fortune tellers. Today, these paintings are in a state of disrepair and are slowly disappearing due to weather and rock-eating germs, as well as human-caused vandalism. In 1985, the Cambodian government collaborated with the Polish government on a project to protect and restore the paintings, but the restoration of the paintings took only 5 years to complete, with funding coming from the budget. The project has expired. With a royal decree from His Majesty King Norodom Sihanouk, in 2015, the project was revived with the cooperation of a group of foreign and Cambodian craftsmen. Many more. Next, it is strongly hoped that the next generation of Cambodian children will see this wonderful painting again. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see on our next video and will explore Phnom Krom Hill, located about 12 kilometers southwest of Siem Reap, and is home to a spectacular Angkoria temple built in the 9th century, called Prasat.